Hi. If you're a Sony Playstation 3 owner, you may have experienced the yellow light of death. The PlayStation turns on for a few seconds and then turns right back off, making game playing impossible. What you may not have known is, with a few simple steps, the yellow light of death can be banished forever. So come on along and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, for this job we're going to need a couple simple tools. We need a flathead screwdriver, a 12-gauge shotgun, and 2 rounds of double-aught buck. Remember, when using power tools, always use the proper safety equipment. Come on, let's get started. Okay, we're going to use the first shot to go ahead and loosen up the cover. Okay, and now the second shot we'll use to get down into the guts of the system. Okay, now you're going to want to use your screwdriver to get down into the guts of this thing. Once you get it all cleaned up and field dressed, you're going to want to take this to your local taxidermist and hang your prize up on your wall. Okay, so there you have it. Your prize is ready to hang on the wall, and that yellow light of death will never happen again. Thanks for joining me, and tune in next time when I'll show you how to change a light bulb with an AR-15.